Hi everybody, this is Jimmy with nCLOSE. Today we're installing a Mini 5 into an nCLOSE case for Mini 4.5 and using the Wisecube / UniMag II module for that. You have an 18-inch audio cable, a right C to a right lightning, you have a reader, and then you have a DD circuit. And the reader is the UniMag II in this case. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to plug in your audio cable, make sure it clicks in, and then you're going to go ahead and cable manage this on the side. So you're going to have to kind of adjust it a little bit and play with it till it seats. But what you will ultimately do is you will hinge the top of this case and then push down on the sides and it will close. I prefer it like this is how I do it because it seems easier for me. So once that's in, you see that the module's closed or the case is closed. Your cable's free. You take your DD circuit, and I like the H port over here on this setup, but you just push it flat in, okay? From there, we're gonna go ahead and install our audio reader. And with the audio reader, I'm gonna have my swipe plane facing the top. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take the audio cable and I'm gonna plug it in. And I'm just gonna go ahead and seat the reader. Okay, so you can do some cable management here if you like. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to want to take your USB-C cable and you're going to want to plug that into the H port. Why the H port? Because that's your host for your tablet. Okay, so here we have this, and now we're going to leave this here. I'm going to go ahead and assemble my module. Notice you have a swipe plane down here. That swipe plane is where you're going to install the smaller screw. Okay, so I know that that's over here, and you can kind of move it around to indicate it. So you put this together like this. Make sure your surface is clean before you flip it over. Now you're going to go ahead and you're going to flip your tablet over. I like to go ahead and plug in my lightning cable now. And now you can go ahead and feed the rest of the cable below the tablet. You would then install the remaining screws that come in the screw kit, and now you're ready to go. Now, if you want to install your hand strap, you can go ahead and install your hand strap at this point on the different angles or however you like. And if you want a little more length, you can go ahead all the way into this one and replace this screw. Thank you very much for watching Jimmy with nCLOSE.